Ever wondered how your favorite brands stay connected with you? Or how those customer service reps seem to magically pull up your account details in seconds? I mean, think about it. In a world where every interaction matters, how do businesses, big and small, manage their communications? It's not just about phone calls anymore, is it? It's about video, chat, messaging, and seamlessly weaving all of that together. We live in an age of instant gratification. We expect answers, solutions, and connections right now. And for businesses, that means having a robust, reliable, and adaptable communication platform. But which one? Which platform empowers teams to collaborate effectively, engage customers across multiple channels, and ultimately, drive growth? Today, we're diving deep into the world of 8x8. You've probably heard the name, but who exactly uses it? And why? Is it just for call centers? Or is there more to this cloud communications powerhouse? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the companies that trust 8x8 to power their interactions. We're not just talking about random names, we're talking about businesses in diverse industries, from healthcare to retail, finance to tech, and everything in between. First, let's set the stage. 8x8 isn't just a phone system. It's a unified communications and contact center platform, meaning it brings together voice, video, messaging, and contact center solutions into a single, integrated cloud-based platform. This allows companies to streamline their communication workflows, improve collaboration, and enhance customer experience. Now, who's actually using it? Let's start with a sector where seamless communication is absolutely vital: healthcare. Imagine a hospital network needing to coordinate patient care, schedule appointments, and provide remote consultations. This is where 8x8 shines. Companies like MedStar Health leverage 8x8's platform to ensure secure and reliable communication between doctors, nurses, and patients. They need HIPAA-compliant solutions, and 8x8 delivers. The ability to integrate with electronic health record (EHR) systems is also crucial, and 8x8 offers this functionality. It's not just about making calls. It's about enabling critical communication in a highly regulated environment. Next, let's talk about retail. In a fast-paced retail environment, customer service is king. Think about Dollar Tree. They use 8x8 to manage their customer interactions, ensuring that inquiries are handled efficiently and effectively. Whether it's a question about store hours, product availability, or online orders, 8x8 helps Dollar Tree provide a consistent and positive customer experience across all channels. And with the rise of e-commerce, the need for omni-channel communication is more important than ever. 8x8 allows retailers to connect with customers via phone, chat, email, and social media, all from a single platform. Now, let's shift gears to the financial sector. In the world of finance, security and reliability are paramount. Companies like Equiniti rely on 8x8 to manage their communications, ensuring that sensitive customer information is protected. They need robust security features, compliance certifications, and disaster recovery capabilities. 8x8 delivers on these requirements, providing a secure and reliable platform for financial institutions to manage their communications. Think about the tech industry, a space where innovation and agility are crucial. Companies like PagerDuty, a leader in incident response, use 8x8 to keep their teams connected and responsive. In a world where every second counts, PagerDuty needs a communication platform that can handle high volumes of calls and messages, and 8x8 delivers. They need to be able to quickly escalate issues, collaborate effectively, and resolve incidents as quickly as possible. The platform's flexibility and scalability are essential for supporting their rapid growth. But it's not just big corporations that rely on 8x8. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, across various industries also benefit from the platform's versatility and affordability. Companies like Sweetgreen, a popular fast casual restaurant chain, use 8x8 to manage their customer service and internal communications. For SMBs, the ease of deployment and management is a key advantage. 8x8's cloud-based platform eliminates the need for expensive hardware and IT infrastructure, allowing SMBs to focus on their core business. Let's not forget about the public sector. Government agencies and educational institutions also rely on 8x8 to manage their communications. For example, local governments use 8x8 to provide citizen services, manage emergency communications, and coordinate public safety efforts. They need reliable and secure communication solutions to serve their communities effectively. Educational institutions use 8x8 to facilitate remote learning, manage student communications, and provide administrative support. The platform's flexibility and scalability make it ideal for supporting the diverse communication needs of the public sector. Now, you might be thinking, what's the common thread here? What makes 8x8 so appealing to such a diverse range of companies? Comes down to a few key factors. First, it's the unified platform. 8x8 brings together voice, video, messaging, and contact center solutions into a single, integrated platform. This eliminates the need for multiple vendors and simplifies communication workflows. Second, it's the cloud-based architecture. 8x8's cloud-based platform offers scalability, flexibility, and reliability. This allows companies to easily adapt to changing communication needs and ensure business continuity. Third, it's the global reach. 8x8 has a global presence, with data centers and points of presence around the world. This allows companies to connect with customers and employees in any location. Fourth, it's the integration capabilities. 8x8 integrates with a wide range of business applications, including CRM systems, help desk software, and collaboration tools. This allows companies to streamline their workflows and improve productivity. Fifth, it's the security and compliance. 8x8 offers robust security features and compliance certifications, ensuring that sensitive customer information is protected. And finally, it's the customer experience. 8x8 helps companies deliver exceptional customer experiences across all channels. This leads to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately business growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.